Okay, welcome back everyone. Today I want to talk about creating a short video to where you can go and watch it before you go to bed or whenever you wake up when you're in stats, and you literally don't even have to visualize. You can just watch the video of like everything you want, like racks of money, abundance, affirmations, houses, apartments, cars. And I saw this girl's TikTok yesterday, and I think they're called mind maps, and basically you just watch it before you go to bed, whenever you wake up. And for me, I'm such a visual learner. Like, I prefer visualizing over affirmations, and I feel like this is so perfect. So I'm gonna show you kind of what I was working on. So for me, I'm currently trying to manifest falling in love with someone. And the thing with me, I don't fall in love easily. Like, I can talk to so many people, but to have actual chemistry and that spark, it has to be divine. So I went on Pinterest and I found all these like text message threads. One is like, I think about you a lot. I'm obsessed with everything about you. These are all things that the man that I'm in love with would be telling me on a daily basis. You just gotta have the prettiest soul out of everyone and anyone. Then, you guys, Apple Pay, $50, $3,000, $1,200. A healthy relationship, okay? This is my favorite one too. I'm obsessed with you. You're so sexy. I don't want anyone else but you. I just want to make love to you. And honestly, just reading these feels so good. Like, it puts you in this state of like being desired. Then I found all of these pictures of like money. Yeah, you can go and customize it yourself. Obviously, if there's videos, like, you could put a montage of like TikTok videos, like if you really want to manifest traveling in your life. For me, I like the Pinterest like pictures, and I'm gonna put like my favorite song over it too, because like I said, if you're a visual learner, affirmations are amazing, but just to have that visual representation. And literally, I didn't even do the video. I just went on Pinterest whenever I woke up this morning and like looked at it. And when I tell you, like, my mindset even has shifted. Like, I received more good morning texts than what I usually do when it comes to like the guys I'm talking to. So I feel like I can feel the energy shift, honestly. But this is just a little hack if you want to add it onto like your subliminals. You guys, when I tell you, I listen to a subliminal frequency all day, every day. Like the abundance ones, I let that run on like my Echo Dot. Then whenever I go to bed, I listen to Elmar, what's his name? Elmar Locke Jr. He's my favorite on here for like his sleep affirmations. I used to listen to High Frequency Guru, but for some reason I love to hear the actual affirmations, like even coming from like a man's voice. I don't know, I really like it, and I can wake up in the middle of the night and I just feel like safe and protected when like hearing his voice. And I'll listen to that even when I'm like coming home batshit drunk, okay? Like, I will still put on the YouTube subliminal. I won't change it either. I will go back and forth from an abundance money one, and I need to incorporate a self-concept. I was listening to like a luck one as well. If you actually just stick to two and like rotate it for exactly what you want, I feel like that is incredible. Like, just do it for 30 days. Like, even within the first week, you'll notice an incredible shift. Yeah, but I'm gonna try this mind map thing, you guys, and I'm gonna come back and report it, because I did make a like vision board for myself, but this mind map, I feel like I really like the energy and state that it's putting me right now. And like I said, I'm a visual learner, so I need visuals and I need to constantly see something like all the time. So yes, try creating a mind map for yourself.